Yeah, what's up everyone? It's your boy Kira the Investor from Kira the Investor channel, and today I'm about to show y'all how you can find potential stocks that will blow up. Now, first thing you need to do is go to finviz.com. Just type here finviz.com and after that you need to go to screener here. You see this bar right here, the third one, screener. Click on it, and then you go to relative volume right here, and click over 5, and go to the price, and here you choose under whatever you want, depends on your budget. Click I suggest under 5. Just click under 5 and you will see low priced stocks, penny stocks actually. These are penny stocks. Now the website is going to give you a bunch of stocks that's actually being traded with a low volume than they actually be traded with. Let me give you an example. This one, as you can see, it's very low, and the website is predicting that this stock will go up. Let me show you. Okay, as you see, the analytics of the stock down. This works for all stocks that the website is going to give you in this over 5 relative volume and under $5 price. As you can see, the first one, it's also down, traded with a low price, very low price, 1.45. it used to be 11 low. Can you imagine that? Low price, because I chose over 5 for relative value. Let's say, for example, this one, it used to be down, but it went up here, and it's down again at 4.52. The website is predicting that it will go up. By the way, you can choose in any relative volume you want here, and you can choose under whatever price you want. Say $10. They added this one. I don't know if this one is gonna be down. Let's see. No, it's not. So I guess move back to under $5. I'll leave you to navigate the website. I'm gonna leave the website in the description box. You go ahead and take a great look at it and tell me what you think in the comments. It's a great website for investors, for traders, for anyone that's interested in stocks or penny stocks. Mostly penny stocks in this website, because I recommend penny stocks for all new investors. I guess this was the video. Thanks for watching. See y'all in the next one. Take care. Man, I don't know how Google knew that I want to buy this car brand, Dacia. Man, I don't know how they know, bro. I don't think I've ever searched it. I talked about it to my friend, but I've never searched it. Man, I don't know how they're doing this.